Macao. Just 40 miles from Hong Kong, it has a unique Portuguese-Chinese culture. Along with heaps of charm, character and soul, it's one of my favourite places to visit when I'm in Asia. But the best part is its food. Macanese cuisine was one of the first fusion cuisines in the world, an exciting blend of Portuguese and Chinese flavours, along with influences from India, Africa and Southeast Asia. I want to show you my take on some Macanese classics so you can bring all those incredible flavours right into your own kitchen. So guys, to get a true taste of Macao, you've got to try golden Macanese cod. Basically cod cooked in a spiced turmeric broth, and it's so quick and easy. Traditionally they use bacala, but I'm going to be using fresh cod. I'm going to inject it with loads of fresh chilies and Thai basil. The first thing I want to prepare is these cod fillets. So I want to slice them into nice sort of 1-inch chunks, and these are going to be beautiful in that spiced coconut broth. Season it with a little bit of salt and then a generous pinch of ground white pepper. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cold water to corn flour. Give that a good mix. This is a really Chinese trick that I'm infusing into the dish. What that's going to do is it's going to help keep the juices of the cod lovely and succulent. Next, I'm going to chop up my garlic. Just want to crush it, just finely chop it. Next here, I've got some shallots. Finely chop this, a lovely oniony sweetness. So now it's time to wok and roll. And I want this on a medium to high heat. Add my rapeseed oil, and then in with the garlic and the shallots. And I just want to fry that in the oil for a few seconds just to release the aroma. So next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and the shallots will turn this golden yellow. Next I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dried shrimp paste. I just want to push the aromatics to one side, and I'm going to add in a tablespoon of rapeseed oil. With the cod pieces, just gently put them into the wok. And then just give them a good mix together. And once you've coated the cod fillet pieces well, leave it to settle, because we don't want to break up the cod pieces. At this stage, I'm going to introduce some vegetable stock. So I'm just going to pour that around the edges, and then 100 ml of coconut milk. In that goes. Take the heat down and want to gently cook the cod in that spiced turmeric coconut broth. So once the coconut broth has come to the boil and has turned this golden rich yellow, and you can see that the cod has turned a really white opaque and it's almost coming off, like flaking apart. I'm going to take it off the heat. I'm going to slice up some red chilies for garnish, and then we've got fresh Thai basil, and this is not a traditional Macanese ingredient, and really an ingredient more borrowed from Thailand. And this is going to impart a lovely aniseedy aroma. Awesome, it's time to serve. Nice, generous spoonfuls of the cod. Look at that, beautiful. And then some freshly sliced chilies and a few sprigs of that Thai basil. That's it, that's my golden Macanese cod.